Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Ahmed Nusayr with the Muslim Association of Huntington. This is the construction site of our future community center and our future school. The project is underway and it will be done, inshallah, in a year time from now. We have raised enough money, more than half of the amount needed to complete the project, but we are still $800,000 short. We hope that this message reaches vast number of Muslims who are interested in supporting projects in smaller communities. Please share this message with your friends and your family and encourage them to contribute. Below is a link to the ways to how you could contribute to this blessed project, and inshallah it will be a sadaqah jariyah, an everlasting charity for you. And as a reminder, our project is zakah eligible, and our organization is tax exempt organization.